Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola E5 Play, and I'll show you how to do a hard reset through the settings. So you start off by going into the settings app, right here. Then you will go down to System. Then you will go to Reset Options and erase all data, factory reset. And here you get a warning message that will remove basically all the content, your personal content from the phone. Just confirm it by tapping the reset phone and erase everything. And now the process will begin. Now this process will take several minutes, and once it's done, the phone will basically reboot, and you'll go through the setup process of your device as it was new. So let's give it a couple minutes for it to basically do the reset, and I'll be back once it's done. Okay, as you can see, it's finished. Now you can go to the setup process of the device, and basically everything will be removed, just the system itself, like the phone is new. So I'll go quick through it just to show you guys. And as you can see, you're back onto the phone, and all the apps that come with the phone are only here, and everything else is gone. So that's how you do a hard reset of the device through the settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.